Hi, if you're watching this video, it's because you like the look of our triangular or pyramid shaped etui box. Now these are remarkably easy to make. The triangular one especially because you've got no lid to make. So we've just tied it up with these gorgeous grosgrain ribbons here. Oops, eventually we shall get in there and show you the inside. So sides fall open. Now I'm going to show you how to make it using a square just because it's smaller and easier to do. So you start out, we've given you the template here. The template, if you're printing out on an A4 version, you'll have half a triangle, and what you'll need to do is make the full size pattern. Not difficult, just flip the triangle over. So once you've got your triangle, use double-sided tape, that's your friend. We've got wide stuff, you can use whatever you've got. Put double-sided tape on the mount board here, and we've stuck on some Bosal in our form. You could use wadding, Styleville, whatever you've got, just to give this outside, whether it be inside lining or outside, some body. Put that on, cover with fabric. Now, if you are on your outer layer, can you see it shows here? So you will need to stitch the corners nicely. Just do that by making a nice mitre. You'll need to fiddle around and get a nice fit. Get a nice mitre and stitch that closed. Ladder stitch works beautifully. And you'll see nice and closed. Once you've got your outer layer complete, oops, swap over here, do the same to the lining layer. Now, as you can see, you don't need to stitch that because it's going to be, the reverse is completely hidden. It's just the outer layer we're seeing, this part round here. Double-sided tape on each, pull off your tape and stick the layers together. That is as simple as that. We also give you all the instructions for decorating and doing what you want on the inside. Now, just note with a triangular one, you are restricted on size for what you can put on your triangles. But once you've got this done, right sides together, just stitch across the top there and finish off with some ribbon, just decorated with a pretty button. Grosgrain works best for holding your knot. So, nice chicken pin cushion to finish. We don't need any instructions on that. They're so easy to do. So, yeah, thank you for watching my little video. And if you want this etui box, go right ahead.